Hi. Today we will talk about the new Google Cloud Skills Boost annual subscription, the last Google initiative to help developers build faster, learn faster, and grow their career faster with Google Cloud. Today, Google is enhancing the Google Cloud Skills Boost annual subscription by introducing InnovatorPlus, a new suite of developer benefits, available under the existing $299 per year subscription. Google Cloud Skills Boost provides learners globally with online courses, skills development, and certification, offering training resources in many languages. Built for developers who are looking to accelerate their professional skills and business growth, this package provides extensive training and certification benefits, including live learning events, Google Cloud credits, and certification exam vouchers. Google Cloud recently announced the Google Cloud FlyCup Challenge, created in partnership with the Drone Racing League to celebrate the new era of tech-driven sports. Using DRL race data and Google Cloud Analytics tools like BigQuery and Cloud SQL, developers of any skill level will be able to predict race outcomes and provide tips to DRL pilots to help enhance their season performance. The demand for qualified experts is huge, and by building your technical expertise on Google Cloud, you can grow your skills and your career faster. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed this Google Cloud news and see you in the next video.